How to get a perfect radiant and highlighted complexion. Start by applying Airflash Radiance Mist with the Airflash brush all over your face. This product will prime and prepare for foundation. Then apply Airflash with the Airflash brush to get a radiant complexion with perfect coverage. Apply it from the center of the face outwards. Finish with the Airflash Radiance Mist to set your makeup. You can also use it for touch-ups during the day to refresh and boost glow. To add light, use DIORSKIN NUDE Air Luminizer on the high points of your face, on the cheeks, on the chin, on the nose, on the cupid bow, and on the eyes. Here, you have a perfect radiant and highlighted complexion.